What is going on, guys? It's the Clouded Barber back at it with another video. Told you guys I stay consistent. So today we're actually doing a review on these bad boys right here, okay? So stay tuned, let's get to the video and let's review this. So here we are with a Tomb45 plastic expansion charging pad, wireless clipper charging mat. So this is basically the exact same thing as these guys here, except they're black and they got a little twist to them. So let's get an unboxing and show you guys what the little twist is. I'm sure you can tell by the front of the box what the twist is. All right, guys, so in the case, we have your instruction manual. We have your Tomb45 warranty and product related concerns. Please contact support@tomb45.com. And we got the pad right here with obviously the charger inside, which we're gonna need all 3 of those, 4 actually. Nice hard plastic compared to the flexible plastic before. This is a hard plastic that does not bend. So let's get these installed and see how they work. Oh, and I failed to mention, guys, USB-C, beautiful addition, a lot better than those L-shaped plugs. So they're gonna fit a lot more securely than the pin opposed to the USB-C. All right, let's get these installed. I'll show you what's up. So here we got them all locked and loaded, ready to go. I got 3 of them. I got 1 extra one, but this is just an example of show you exactly how it works, how they light up. Got a nice LED around it. So when I turn this on, these will be red. When I place the clipper on top, it will turn green. So it's just an easier way to let you know that your charger is clipping.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Let you know that your charger is charging. I don't know if you guys can tell right now, but these are currently red. I'll turn off the lights in a minute and I'll show you guys, and then we'll put some clippers and trimmers on here. We'll throw my setup back on and I'll show you exactly how everything pans out and how everything works and how cool it looks. I just think this is amazing. I think these pads are freaking dope, okay? I don't know if you guys think they're dope. I don't know. Comment below if you do think they're dope, but I think they're crazy. I just love the fact that they connect so quickly, much quicker than these ones. Like I said in the video earlier, when you put your clipper on it, I noticed that with the older ones, they don't connect as quickly and start charging. These ones, it's almost instantaneous. You put it down, boom, starts charging. I love that feature. I love the fact that they're USB-C. This makes things hell of a lot easier. You don't have to worry about the little pin connector like getting loose or breaking or whatever the case is. And yeah, guys, I just think it looks really, really cool. I think it looks awesome. I know I'm a bit of a nerd like that, so it is what it is. But comment below, let me know if you guys like them, if you guys have them, what your guys' thoughts of them. If you like the hard plastic opposed to the floppy plastic, let me know what you think. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one. All right, guys, if you want pads like these of your own, make sure you check out empire.ca. Make sure you follow them on Instagram at Empire Barber Supply and show them some love. Ciao! Woo!